Let's do the third one. Number 3, because number 3 has a hole. Everybody, if I could have your attention. So, first off, this one's already written in general form, maybe except for putting a 1 and a 1 right there. But I also need to do it in what? Factor. The factors of 6 are 6 and 1 and 3 and 2. And you have to add them because that's a plus. So which one? This one makes 7 and this one makes 5. So what is the factors I want to use?
3 and 2.
3 and 2 because that made the 5. So I'll have x plus 3.
They're both plus plus on the top.
x2, they're both plus plus on the top.
And they're both plus
And the
plus.
bottom was almost the same as this, except for instead of a negative, they were what? This one will factor to x plus 2, x plus 1.
And so there's going to be a hole
So I would-
because there's an x plus 2 over an x plus 2.
So I already know there's a hole. Let's write that answer down. There's a hole where?
X plus
x
2.
plus 2, x plus 2, so it's going to be x equals negative 2.
X equals negative 2.
You're writing on number 4.
Or, X, thank you. X equals negative 2. So, obviously, I already know X cannot equal what? And there will probably be another one I need to what? Make sure of. But I'm going to do the whole first so I don't what? Forget it. So let's do the y-intercept. The y-intercept is what? 6 over 3. 6 over 2, which makes 3.
I think.
So the y-intercept is at 0, 3.
X-intercept is 1.
Oh,
Yeah, right? Because it's 1 over 1.
no, the horizontal asymptote. The horizontal asymptote is, remember, is that y equals 1 over
1.
So this is y equals 1. And because there's a horizontal, we know there's no y.
Low.
Slant. Okay? So I need the root and the vertical.
So negative 1.
There's no.
Would be
Now here's the thing. These cancel out of root answers and asymptotes. So,
The root
Hold on.
is the top, so that's going to be x equals negative 3, right?
negative 3.
I'm assuming that.
Because that's an inside liar. X equals negative 3. And here the bottom one is only at what?
negative
X
Huh?
equals-
And I also need to add this negative 1 where? Here's the thing.
I thought the horizontal was going to be part of it.
No.
Oh, no, it's the right.
Okay, hey, now everybody listen. Here's the mistake people make. They'll put down negative 1 and negative 2 here. Negative 2 is not an asymptote, it's a hole. So holes, and up here in the root, technically people would write negative 3 and negative 2, but the negative 2 is a hole. The holes are jerks, all right? Holes are jerks. They kick everybody out of roots and out of their asymptotes, okay? You have to remember that. So asymptotes don't have holes in them, okay? So be very careful, because a lot of people will put this negative 2 here and negative 2 there, and I have to count that wrong because of the what? Hole. If the hole was not there, say that was a minus 2
Bless you.
instead, then you would have had 2 root answers, and you would have had 2 asymptote answers, and you still would have had 2 what? Domain answers. Everybody got that? That's real important.